both die.
Yeah. I'm so dead.
So, what's the jiggy all about? Why'd you call me? Why'd you want me to join your server?
To get people?
You know why I hate this goddamn server, right? Like, it's so full of nick.
Okay, sorry. 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 Free run.
He fucking growled at you, bro.
Well, that's pretty funny. That happened.
As soon as the
So that just happened.
Hit it. So like you go like right here.
Oh, okay. What now? We die?
Oh, yeah, we still die.
Wanna see who wins?
Well, maybe later.
Maybe later.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That's a long asshole.
You fucker. Stop it! Oh, fuck this.
It's so good.
Not enough people click this.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, I think it. Okay, yeah, I think I can win. My chances are pretty good. 1 in 4.
So good at parkour.
Don't do it.
Really?
He is laser focused, bro. You're not getting past him.
Alright, Ben.
Should've just walked into it.
I kinda wanted to, but at the same time I kinda wanna win.
He wants to win.
Can we play VR Family Guy now?
Victory.
A ditty.
Oh my god.
Touch the ball.
Get on the ball.
Touch the ball, Mila. Touch
Get
it.
on the ball.
Wait, how are you
Stalling,
still?
do not
Oh,
stalling.
I forgot I couldn't target everyone.
Not again!
I'm winning.
Oh. Funny.
Oh, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Boom, 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 boom.
Bye bye.
Oh, bubble blowing bitches.
I'm
Dude,
great.
it's like the techno mix.
Pro words run right now.
I got you.
What? Milo with the fucking zap, bro. Good job.
I long for the great release that...
I've done no wrong.
Damn.
Look at this, my guy. Okay, look at this. No, my screen. Get on my screen! Get on my screen! Get on my screen! Best European player, watch this.
Lil help here?
Innovative.
Lil help?
This is so dumb.
Oh, jeez! No, seriously, you all suck.
Oh, it's gonna get tough.
Insane.
Oh, it's
You failed stalemate.
gonna get tough. Taunt kill, do it.
No! No!
Come here, please.
Attack!
Come here.
I love my ball. You should revive me, words.
Balls just explode all of them.
Alright. The ultimate trolling device now available.
I'm chill. I'm chill.
I'm not chill. I'm gonna score farm.
Go on. The mud pit. Oh, that's fine.
No, don't get it. Don't get sniffed.
I got blood all over me.
Don't get sniffed.
You got what? A Glock in your Rari?
17 shots, I'm like, yeah, she's fine.
Do you want to play the map with us or be stuck in blue? Fiopon? Fio? Do you want to play the map with?
I do not.
You ever got that? Bop!
I went so high!
So high. Wait, can I?
God, all the physics objects.
Oh my god. She's stuck and I backfire.
I'm blind.
Dude, the balloons, man.
I'm actually blind. Holy.
What's the balloon one? Hold on.
Birthday. This
Birthday.
is so bad. Oh my god.
No!
I got disconnected.
That is super crush.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
bear
wait,
force.
Ben. Are the borders locked off, or can you jump straight from the borders? Oh, yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody.
Does it not respawn? Wait, play the mini. Play spinners. Play
It
spinners.
doesn't respawn people.
Oh, I should add that.
Ain't that swell?
But you can respawn people.
Alright, GG.
No
way.
Alright, I'm going back into hammer.
Shit, I think I'm dead. Umbleite is currently fucking on
Are you on
Twitter.
tapped? Do not stall out! Do not stall! Make active progress! Surf, bro, surf.
You got me. But
Surf's
yeah,
up, man. Surf's up, bro.
I met some random chick's fucking boyfriend, and he led a comp team. That guy was a massive comp, by the way. You should be able to make it. I believe it. I think it's Jover.
Hey, you beat them at nowhere. I can't
can't believe Moonlight just soloed all of that. Wow.
Boy, dude, you're actually so good.
How did you do that? Can I get tips? Can I get tips on how to do that?